Hi everybody, Dizzy Nails and Beauty here with another set of nails. You'll see I'm actually working on a human being this time, which is always great as the practice hand's great, but there's no thing for a real deal. First of all, I applied the tips using the GLITTERBELS. I think there was the square matte tips. Then we're going to come in with the dehydrator and primer, and then I'm going to be coming in with the clear layer at the nail bed area just to add so that there's no staining from the colour and also for help with refills. Now this lady was not having long nails, she wanted short nails, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity to do a video for my #1 YouTube subscriber Tracey. So here you go Tracey, you've been asking for some short nails and here is some. So once we've done that, we're going to file it all in. I have gone a bit hiddledy-piddledy there because I'm used to working on my practice hand, but hey ho, it still ends up with the same result. Then we're going to come in with Tracey Beauty acrylic in rhubarb, and we're going to lay these down on all of the nails. You'll also see that I'm basically doing it very, very thin, and that's because with short nails it always ends up coming very easily made into a bulky nail, which that's not what you want. You don't want any like bulbous to any of the nail really, so keeping the acrylic as thin as possible is always the best way with short nails. So while I'm laying down the acrylics on the rest of them, I'll just leave you to watch it and I'll be back with you shortly. So once we're happy with that, we're going to come in with Tracey Beauty in Diva. This is a gorgeous glitter acrylic, and we're just going to lay this over the pinky, the middle and the pointy finger. You'll see here on the pinky here, I did actually lay the wrong colour glitter acrylic, so we do go in later to fix that, but I just wanted to leave that in just to show you it can be done. Here we are, we're going to file that off because like I say, I did put the wrong glitter down. It was too bright and we wanted a colour that was more or less matching the acrylic base. Just adding a bit more of that coloured acrylic down because I filed too much off, and then we're just going to put that glitter back down again. Once we're happy with that, we're going to come in and we're going to use the crystal clear to cap all of the nails. I do tend to cap the ones without glitter first, and then I'll do the glitter ones afterwards to try and help keep the cross contamination down as much as possible. once we're happy with that, we're going to then come in with my filing routine, which is file the side walls and then the free edge and then around the cuticle area and then down the barrel of the nail. And once you're happy with that, we're going to make sure all the dust is cleared off using a dusting brush and some alcohol. I'm going to come in with Urban Graffiti's foil glue transfer gel from Nails, and we're going to put these on the plain coloured acrylic nails, and then we're going to use this foil. I think it was from AliExpress or Shein. It couldn't buy that many foils, it could have even been from SBD London. I'm really sorry I have that many, I do not know where most of them come from. And once that gel has been cured, we're then going to place the foil down and really give it some welly with rub and more rubbing to make sure it goes on. I kind of wish I'd used a slightly different foil now, because I thought the flowers were a lot paler than the colour underneath, so I don't feel like they popped as well as they could have done, but my friend was happy with them, so that's all that matters. And then once we've done that, we're going to come in and use a tempering top coat from SBD London, and we're going to top all the nails. Now if you have seen anything in these you like, please check out the subscription box down below, because there is codes for many sites to get discounts off. I don't make any money, they're just codes I've found along the way or people have given me. And then I'm also going to just do the same on the other hand, but this time we tried to get some more of the green in rather than just the pink flower, just so that there was some contrast going on there. When they're all done, we're going to top coat again that other hand, and then we're done. And these are the finished nails, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please comment and subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Bye.